Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Now get down. I get straight to the point. Working with a mighty fine repeat customer, working on a Chrysler 300. Customer was complaining about his AC. One of the easiest ways to find out the AC is actually working without a diagnosing machine. I have a bi-directional one, but you might not have that. Wonderful customer is helping me out. This is going straight to the compressor directly. Multimeter is at 0. I'm going to press the AC button and see, let's see if there's any power going to the compressor. Either is or isn't. And this is my bi-directional diagnostic machine. See if there's any power. He's holding the meter and it is getting power. He needs a new compressor. Something like that. So, I'll get it for you. I got it. So what I did, and I'm going to try to zoom in the best I can. There's this mighty fine gentleman's compressor right there. His clutch was not engaged in any shape from away. I was on the bi-directional machine telling it to go ahead and turn on. Everything on the computer, the data, everything was saying it's supposed to come on. The compressor will not come on. It has the it has the Freon in there, so that's not a big deal. So it does have Freon in there. So if it did not have Freon in there, the low pressure switch would have kept it from coming on and getting any voltage whatsoever. If he had too much in there, the high pressure switch would have kept it from coming on. But he's getting full voltage. So this is just an easy way to find out, and all this stuff is going to be in the description. All the tools that I'm using to find out about this. So again, you take the plug directly from the compressor, you take your positive, you take your negative, and you put it in. If the meter is negative something, switch them around. That's all you have to do. Put the positive on the positive, negative on the negative, if you get a negative result. Once you do that, and you get voltage, 14 volts or whatever the car is putting out, you need to change the compressor. And I'm going to emphasize this. When you change the compressor, if you decide to change the compressor and slap the Freon in it, you will not have a warranty anywhere you buy it from. Anybody who is professional, including myself, I will not put a compressor in your vehicle if you do not change the receiver and dryer or the expansion valve with it. The reason being is because you want to do this right the first time. Some people put a compressor in and then they put in Freon. First of all, you're going to have to put in the vacuum. Second of all, the receiver and dryer is taking out the moisture that's inside your system. That's the Achilles heel. Yes, it will give you a nice cold air condition, but it will fail. Then you're going to go cry to the people you bought it from. They're going to say, did you replace this? You're going to say, no, Rock Auto, Advanced AutoZone. Now you're buying a whole entire, another compressor, and you better hope they didn't shoot any acid and anything else inside your system. So at least change the expansion valve and change the receiver and dryer. Receiver and dryer is 100%. If you do not do that, do not ask us to do it or anybody else to do it, because you're doing a shortcut and you're going to be replacing it within a year or so of the next season. I'm here to help you out. I'm not here to harm you in any shape from way. I've been doing this a very long time, but you must do the job and do it right the first time. If somebody's want to do a shortcut, you're going to get what you pay for. But this is also a good way of finding out if the compressor is working or not. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.